Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another restoration. Today we're going to be doing two bench vises. Both of these are scouts. This one is a 3.5 and then I have a 4 over there. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty fellas, well you saw the little 3.5. This one's not in bad shape at all. Color's still pretty good on there, but I am gonna paint these and I don't want them this color, so we're just gonna change it up a bit. And this is the 4-inch, so not bad. This one's a little bit more rusted up, but hell, it's had a harder life. So I say we start pulling this stuff apart and get to the heart and soul of this right here. You can already see this thing has definitely had a hard life. Don't even need a screwdriver for that. Boy, that one's in there. Let me grab a little pick. If I can't get some of that funky stuff out of there. Let's get you zoomed in there a little bit. What do you think? Put a little bit of blaster on here. Let this one sit. It should soak in nicely, hopefully. What kind of clip do we have on this? Probably gonna have to do something better for that because I don't like that. tiny little gels. Alright, the 4-inch is broke down with the exception of this last little screw here. PV blaster, baby. Wow, that's really in there. It's alright, we'll get it out. So there's the 4-inch. 3-inch should be pretty much the same. Alrighty guys, well, we're going to move this little 3.5-incher out of the way real quick. Get all these little parts moved over. Because we're going to start cleaning on the 4-inch first. These parts in there soaking in some nice hot soapy water. This is Purple Punch, Purple Power, whatever. It's my go-to degreaser that I usually use. The small stuff's not too greasy. It's just this big stuff here. And I don't want to contaminate my wire wheel more than it is, so we're going to put that there. We're going to give this a couple of minutes to soak, and then by then I'll find a scrubbing brush and we can get right at this. Just want to get the top layer of scuzz off this. This thing's pretty nasty. Alright, I'm going to throw the 3-inch stuff in here, and hopefully this will do just as well as the 4-inch stuff. Till then, I'm going to start wire wheeling on the 4-inch stuff. This is what the 4-inch is looking like so far. I don't know if I left it in the video or not, but I'm going to focus on the 4-inch because the 3.5 is the same exact thing, and I think the video would move more fluid if I just focused on the one. And at the end we'll come back in with both of them finished out the same way. So alright, let me get to start cleaning some of this stuff up, and we'll start primering and painting. Give me a minute. Alright, some etching primer on there. And then once this dries, I'll tape it off and I'll start doing my paint job. So get ready for that. Pretty cool. Alrighty guys, well we're all done with these. What do you think? Painted vises, huh? This is a 3.5 inch scout. This is the 4-inch scout. I did them in a orange and blue with some white accents. I think they came out pretty good. The metal's all polished out. Quite happy with that as well. So that's it. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. That is the Scout Vise restoration. There's the 3.5. Give it a nice blue and orange paint job. And here is the 4-inch. Again, blue and orange paint job. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you guys next week with another. Bye.